Women over 55. This ancient herb revives skin glow and hair strength. Do you wish your skin and hair could glow like they did years ago? I know how much women over 55 want to feel vibrant and confident. Aging can dull your skin and thin your hair, making you feel less like yourself. Take Linda, 68, who missed her radiant look but found an ancient herb that changed everything. I get it, losing that glow can shake your confidence. But here's the good news. This herb, used for centuries, can revive your skin and hair naturally. No expensive creams, just science-backed tips you can start today. Stick with me, because you're about to discover how to shine again with one simple herb. The problem: after 55, hormonal changes and nutrient loss take a toll on your skin and hair. Collagen production drops, leaving skin dull and saggy. Hair follicles weaken, causing thinning or breakage. This can make you feel less vibrant, even if you're active and healthy. I met Carol, 66, who noticed her hair thinning and skin losing its glow. She worried she'd never feel confident again. Studies show that after menopause, women lose 30% of skin elasticity and hair density. Processed diets and stress make it worse, draining the nutrients your body needs. You deserve to feel radiant without relying on gimmicks. The good news: one ancient herb paired with simple habits can bring back that glow. Want to know what it is? Let's dive in. The ancient herb rosemary. Meet rosemary, a powerful herb for skin and hair. Used since ancient times, rosemary's antioxidants boost circulation, delivering nutrients to your skin and hair follicles. This strengthens hair and brightens skin. Mary, 70, had thinning hair that made her self-conscious. She started using rosemary and saw thicker, shinier hair in weeks. A study in phytotherapy research found rosemary improves scalp health by 22%, rivaling hair growth treatments. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and support skin repair. You can use rosemary as a tea, oil, or rinse, affordable and easy to find at any grocery store. It's not just folklore. Science backs its power to restore radiance. Curious how to use it for your skin? Let's talk about that next. How to use rosemary for skin. Rosemary can work wonders for your skin. Its antioxidants fight inflammation, reduce puffiness, and boost glow. A simple way to use it: make rosemary water as a face rinse. Boil a sprig of rosemary in water, let it cool, and dab it on your face with a cotton pad. Ellen, 65, tried this and saw brighter, smoother skin in days. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found rosemary reduces skin redness by 20%. You can also mix a drop of rosemary essential oil with coconut oil for a moisturizing night cream. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. It's cheap, natural, and smells amazing. Always dilute essential oils and test on a small patch first. This simple step can make your skin feel alive again. Want to know how rosemary helps your hair? Keep watching. How to use rosemary for hair. For stronger, fuller hair, rosemary is a game changer. Its compounds stimulate hair follicles and improve scalp circulation, promoting growth. A study in SkinMed showed rosemary oil works as well as minoxidil for hair growth. Susan, 72, had brittle hair that kept breaking. She started massaging diluted rosemary oil into her scalp twice a week and used a rosemary rinse after shampooing. Within a month, her hair felt thicker and shinier. Try this. Mix 5 drops of rosemary oil with a tablespoon of olive oil. Massage into your scalp and leave for 30 minutes before washing. Or boil rosemary sprigs, cool the water and rinse your hair post-shampoo. It's easy and costs pennies. Susan kept a bottle of rosemary rinse in her shower for convenience, ready for more ways to boost radiance. Let's move on. Supporting habits for radiance. To amplify rosemary's effects, add 2 habits: hydration and omega-3 rich foods. Drinking 8 glasses of water daily keeps skin plump and hair hydrated. Omega-3s found in salmon or walnuts repair skin cells and strengthen hair. A study in nutrients found omega-3s improve skin elasticity by 25%. Jane, 67, started drinking more water and eating walnuts daily. Paired with rosemary, her skin glowed, and her hair felt stronger. Try sipping water with lemon or keeping walnuts in a jar for snacking. These habits are simple and fit into any routine. You're building radiance from the inside out, ready to put it all together. Let's make it happen. How to apply it. Here's your plan to revive your skin and hair. Step 1. Use rosemary twice a week. Make a rosemary rinse for your hair. Boil sprigs, cool and pour over your hair after shampooing. For skin, dab rosemary water on your face. Step 2. Drink 8 glasses of water daily. Keep a bottle handy. Step 3. Eat an omega-3 rich food, like a handful of walnuts or a salmon fillet daily. If you want, try a rosemary oil scalp massage weekly. Start with one step like the rinse and add others over a week. Track changes in a notebook. Shinier hair? Brighter skin? Rose, 74, followed this plan and felt radiant in 2 weeks. Keep rosemary in your kitchen and water by your side. These small steps will make you glow with confidence. Conclusion and hopeful wrap-up. You've learned how rosemary plus hydration and omega-3s can revive your skin and hair. These simple natural steps bring back your glow and confidence. Rose, 74, started using rosemary rinses and eating walnuts, and now she feels vibrant at every family gathering. You can do this too. Try a rosemary rinse or sip some water tonight. Drop a comment below and tell me how it feels. I love hearing from you. You're not just aging. You're shining brighter every day. If this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to stay radiant and independent. Here's to glowing skin, strong hair, and a confident you. See you next time.